36 weeks today.
Gonna go celebrate down at the beach, 36 weeks. And maybe paint a full moon. Should be a nice evening. It's offshore, high tide, moonrise. Down the mountain.
Hi everyone. I'm not feeling very well because I'm very pregnant. How are you?
We're down here this time yesterday, that's why feeling inspired today. There's this lovely golden light just reaching around the side of Maunganui and hitting the islands out here. Some little waves coming in. There's that sunshine. The cumbias. They're checking it out. Try and smack some of the sky in. Tricky thing about painting the horizon is it's quite a crisp colour change, but it's a soft line. Glimpses of that sun slowly coming and going. Just got to look at it, remember what's going on, and then reliving that memory that just happened in front of you.
Makes you think about a light that was there once upon a time. To encapsulate time and space, will it blend?
It's a fleeting moment, that one, and that's what I came here for. It's intense, but I feel like it's over. Hey, seagull.
I've had a banana and I'm satisfied.
Things we learnt today is hang on for dear life when it's windy.
You've still got your narrator's voice on.
Still got my narrator's voice on apparently. Come back tomorrow if it's nice. Fix it up. Back on the tools, mate.
Painting.
Yeah, just about to tick away for a bit.
It's bloody awesome, mate.
Thank you.
Shit, that's alright, bro.
Thank
That's
you.
me. You
Yeah,
got to have the spots too, eh?
Yeah, other spots, like I try and go at the top if I can, up the summit, or like...
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Like, I live out in Ohawiti, so I get some nice spots out there.
yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah,
So
cool.
this is a good one. I just, started this yesterday. I wanted to come down and finish it tonight, so see what happens.
Awesome, bro. I'll leave you to it.
Cheers,
See you
brother.
around, eh?
Yeah, see you around.
Cheers.
Alright, day 2, back down here, a second attempt at this painting. It's nice that people come up and say hello, you know. Bit intense when I've got all the camera gear out. Normally I'm painting and it's just me and my easel. I do love it down here in the mountain. It's been such a lovely summer. Parking up, swimming all the time. All the bush right behind you, and then you got the beach. Kind of the best of both worlds, I find. Where I've met so many people from all corners of the world that I'm like, how did you make it here? You know, Tauranga is just a bit out of the way. A good mate of mine, James, told me a good yarn. I was like, why is it called Rabbit Island? Surely there's no rabbits over there. Maybe there was at some point. Apparently there's a bunch of holes, like little burrows, and obviously someone went over there and thought they were from rabbits, but then realised later on there's a whole absolute army of pigeons that you'll see flying around there at certain points of the season. Look at it go, eh? Jeez, here it is. Sun's finally come out. It's hitting everything just as I imagined. That's really the magic when it happens, eh? It's just like the angels just came out of the heavens and just went, oh.
I think you up here last night.
I basically started it last night, but it's coming and going, you know, it's just sort of poking through that little gap there. So the shadow of Maunganui actually goes onto Rabbit Island at some point, and then it just pokes onto this little rock here. So you live down here?
No, I'm from Hamilton, but working over here. So.
Oh, nice.
So that's a walk inside,
Yeah, you been for a swim?
No, not yet. No.
It looks good. I'll definitely get in there and wash the paint off afterwards, eh?
Cool, man. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, mate. I might see you tomorrow. at which point do I decide where the shadow's going to go, because we've got this Norfolk pine casting down there, and then we've got Kahutakawa, I'm pretty sure, that goes straight across and just creates that little gap of light shining on that rock. So hello.
What a nice building.
Just got some friends down here. Just finished. I started yesterday
Oh, really?
evening. Yeah, managed to come back down here and try again, because it was like, thank you. It happens so quickly, you know, like those shadows.
Yeah.
So, and
Awesome.
oh, thank you. No, it's beautiful down here, eh?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
We are from South Korea.
South Korea. Oh my goodness, welcome.
Yeah, you're from here.
I'm from Wellington.
Wellington.
Originally, yeah. So it's a bit colder down there, and that's why I moved up here for the beach. You know, but do you paint? Do you do any painting?
No, I'm
Oh, damn.
just lovely to see.
Oh, okay, nice. Yeah, thank you for appreciating it.
Yeah.
I think I've almost finished. I might try come back tomorrow if it's not raining. It's meant to rain, but if it's alright, because that sun just like is just finished.
Yeah.
So maybe it'll come back and brighten it all up again. But it's nice.
I will come tomorrow.
Yeah, sweet. Okay, alright. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
See you. 2025 for you. It's that last little glow over there. The old finger painting trick. Whoa, dude. There she is. See all the pigeons? Just a subtle little mount. And then what we can do is a little trick is just sort of go around the edges with a little darkness. Just a little tad of it. Hello? Take a picture? Yeah, sure. Yeah, no worries. Can you see the moon?
Yeah.
It's just come up perfectly, eh? I was just about to pack away and then I was like, oh my god, let's put the moon in quickly.
Come together.
Cheers, mate.
The Beatles.
As well.
I like it.
Surfer.
I'm danced and Whangaparaoa, how good.